If you are an employee in any company and your salary includes PF deductions, then watch this video till the end because this video is for you. EPFO has advised all PF members to keep their profiles details and nomination details updated properly. If your PF member profile details or e-nominations are incomplete or incorrect, then you may face problem in future PF claims, withdrawals or settlement processes. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to update your PF member profile and complete your e-nomination process easily through the EPFO portal using your PC or laptop. So watch this video till the end and follow all the steps carefully. Hello friends, this is Ajay and you are watching The Professional Edge. Before starting, make sure your Aadhaar is linked with your UN, your mobile number linked with Aadhaar is active, your name, date of birth and gender match with your Aadhaar details. Keep the required documents or photographs ready if needed. And also do not enter incorrect nominee details or wrong personal information. Otherwise, your future claims may get rejected or delayed. So here is the step-by-step process. First, go to Google, type UN login member in the search box and then press enter. You will see the EPFO site at the top. Click on member home. Now you will come to the EPFO Member Portal. Here enter the UN number and password and then click on sign in. As soon as you click on sign in, you will receive an OTP for second factor authentication. Let me do it. Wait, let me enter the OTP. Oh, my password has expired. Let me create a new password here. Are you sure to change password? Okay. Aadhaar OTP. So I have created my new password. Password has been changed successfully. Kindly log in with the new password. Click here to login. Now let me log in again using the same process. So now I have come to the member login page. Here it is showing an alert. Submit your e-nomination now for easy access to social security benefits for your family without visiting the EPFO office. Here only 2 login attempts are remaining. After that, claim filing will be blocked. Here we can click on file nomination, but let me click on OK. Here click on profile in the view section. Here the member photo is not available. Let me add it. Choose file. Oh, the size cannot be more than 100 KB. So we will select a photo of less than 100 KB size. Preview photo, upload photo. It has been updated. Here the address is also not updated. To update the address, click on this pencil icon in front of address. Enter the complete permanent address. Select state, district, enter pin code. Since the permanent address and current address both are same, we will select these options and update it. Here you can see address saved successfully. Now we'll go back to the profile to check it. Here both the photo and address are updated. Now for e-nomination. Now click on the e-nomination options in the manage section. We'll wait. Here it is. Now we will check and click on the proceed option. Then click on yes for family. Now here you have to enter the family details. Aadhaar number for family member, name as per Aadhaar, date of birth as per Aadhaar, gender, relation. Then select same as member for address. Click here to upload photo. Choose file. We'll select the photo. Here we will adjust it accordingly. Then click on preview, upload photo and click OK. Then check the instructions carefully. Now click on Save Family Details. Family details saved successfully. Scroll down. Here the family details have been updated. Now we have to enter here how much percentage of EPF amount we want to give this particular family member. You can also add family member by clicking on add row. Then you can divide the share percentage like 50-50 or 75-25, whatever. Here we will give 100% share. Then click on Save EPF e-nomination. So here the details have been saved, but the e-nomination is still pending. From here we can view or edit the details. Now we will do the e-sign process. Click OK. Click here, enter Aadhaar number. So here our e-sign has been updated successfully. Click on home. Now we can check in the e-nomination history. Nomination successful. We can also download the e-nomination details from here. I hope this video helped you understand the complete process of PF member profile updation and e-nomination. I would recommend all PF members update their profile details and complete their e-nomination process as soon as possible to avoid any future issues in PF claims or benefits. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical workplace related content. Thank you for watching.